Stop your iPhone from leaking your private data. Stop apps from tracking you. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Select Tracking from the list. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. Your iPhone will automatically block future tracking requests. Apps won't be able to track your activity across other apps and websites. Enable Safari fingerprinting protection. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select S. Tap Safari from the list of apps. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the Advanced option. Tap Advanced Tracking and Fingerprinting Protection. Choose All Browsing. Safari will now protect you across all websites you visit. Strengthen Safari privacy settings. In the main Safari settings page, scroll to the Privacy and Security section. Enable all the available privacy options in this section. Next, tap on Hide IP address. Select from Trackers. Safari will automatically hide your IP address from known trackers. Stop Safari search suggestions. In the main Safari settings page, scroll down to the search section. Turn off search engine suggestions and Safari suggestions. Next, tap Quick Website Search. Turn off the switch next to Quick Website Search. Your searches will only be sent after you tap Search. This helps reduce unnecessary data sharing while browsing. Reset website location permissions. In the main Safari settings page, scroll down to the Settings for Website section. Tap on Location. Set the permission to ask. Return to the previous page. Tap on Microphone. Change the permission to ask and select Camera. Set the permission to ask as well. Websites must now request permission every time. Disable iPhone analytics sharing. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll to the bottom and select Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Improve Hand Washing, Improve Health and Activity, and Improve AR Location Accuracy. At the top, turn off Share iPhone Analytics. Your iPhone will stop sending usage and diagnostic data to Apple. Turn off personalized Apple ads. In the main Privacy and Security page, select Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads. Apple will continue to show ads in its services. Review location access for apps. In the Privacy and Security page, select Location Services. Review the list of installed apps. Tap an app to manage its location access. Choose while using the app whenever possible. Select Never for apps that do not need your location. Avoid using Always unless necessary. Disable significant locations. In the Location Services page, scroll down and tap on System Services. Look for the option Significant Locations and click on it. Turn off significant locations. Confirm your choice when the pop-up appears. Your iPhone will stop saving a history of the places you visit most often. Check microphone permissions. Open the settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Here, scroll and look for the microphone option and click on it. You'll see a list of apps with microphone access. Turn off access for apps that don't need it. Keep it enabled for calling, voice recording, and video chat apps. You can re-enable microphone access at any time if needed. Filter messages from unknown senders. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select M. Tap Messages from the list of apps. Scroll to the Unknown Sender section. Turn on Screen Unknown Senders. Next, tap Text Message Filtering. Select your preferred text message filter. Go back to the previous screen. Turn on Filter Spam. Your iPhone will automatically separate messages from unknown senders and help filter potential spam. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.